Alright, good day and welcome. Still analytical geometry, question 6, grade 12. Determine the center and the radius of the circle with the equation x squared plus y squared plus 8x plus 4y minus 38 equal to 0. So we first have to rearrange this and put all my x's together, my y's, and then use difference of two squares to create perfect squares. So 6.1, I have x squared plus y squared, 8x given to me. So I've taken x squared plus 8x. Here to make it a perfect square, 8 divided by 2 gives me 4, 4 squared gives me 16. There 4y, 4 divided by 2 gives me 2, 2 squared gives me 4. So I'm adding 16 and 4, what I do one side I have to do the other side, so I've taken 38 over, plus 16 plus 4. So that's a perfect square, square root of x squared is x, square root of 16 is 4, x plus 4 squared, you see 4 plus 4 gives me 8. Yeah, y squared plus 4y plus 4, y square root of y square root of 4 is 2. And 2 plus 2 gives me 4, equal 58. So my center, if I simplified x plus 4 would become minus 4, y plus 2 would become minus 2. So my center is minus 4 minus 2. And my radius is square root 58. Remember that's r squared, so my radius is square root 58. Right, question 2. A second circle has equation x minus 4 squared plus y minus 6 squared equal 26. Calculate the distance between the centers of the two circles. Right, so from that equation I should see my center is 4 and 6. Right, you see there? My center there is 4 and 6. So those two give me my center. Right, so I have my center 4 and 6 and they have a center minus 4 minus 2. So to calculate the distance I'm going to use distance formula. So 4 minus minus 4 gives me 4 plus 4 all squared. 6 minus minus 2 gives me 6 plus 2 all squared. That's 16 plus 64 gives me, no, 8 squared is 64. 4 or 8, 4 plus 64 square root 128, which then equals 11,31. So 1 mark for center, 1 mark for distance. 6.3. And show that the other circle described in question 6.1 and 6.2 intersect each other. Right? So number 1, we calculate the sum of the radii. So we first want to find out what's the full length of the radius. So there's square root 58 plus square root 26 equal 12,71. The distance between the centers is 11,31. Should see the sum of the radii. So if I add my two radii, they are bigger than the distance between the two centers. Once that is the case, the circles must overlap and hence the circles must intersect. If the sum of the radii was less than the distance between the circles, then the circles don't touch. Right? I'll give you a better idea. I've tried to draw here. So if you see the OB and OA are radii. So when I add the two radii, I got 12,71, you see. So that means for these two circles to touch, then from this center to that center must also be 12,71. If that's the case, then the two circles basically, they just make contact with each other. But the distance between the two centers there, the radii is less than that, therefore they must intersect with each other. My apologies. So hope you understand. And show that the two circles intersect along the line y equal minus x plus 4. So we have two equations and we're going to use the two equations given to us. So my equation of my second circle, x minus 4 all squared plus y minus 6 squared equal 26. So x times x squared minus 4x times 2 gives me minus 8x minus 4 times minus 4 plus 16. That becomes y squared minus 6y times 2 minus 12y minus 6 times minus 6, 36 equal 26. So we simplify. There's 16 plus 36 minus 26 gives me 26. So let x and y be either of the 2 points in the intersection. So you see there, I have x squared plus y squared. Alright, x squared plus y squared plus 8x also. Well, for us 8x plus 4y minus 38 equal to 0. The other equation, x squared plus y squared minus 8x minus 12y plus 26 equal to 0. So we subtract the 2, x squared minus x squared cancels. Y squared minus y squared, 0. 8x minus 8x becomes 8x plus 8x, 16y. 4y minus 12y become, okay, that should read x and that should read y, becomes 12y minus 38 minus 26 gives me 64. 16 divides in all of them, so that's 1. 64 divided by 16 become 4. So if I take that across, become minus x plus 4. Therefore, you can say both points of intersection lie on the line. Therefore, y minus x plus 4 is the equation of the common chord. So you see there, show that two circles intersect along the line, minus x plus 4. Hope you understand. All the best. God bless. Bye.